Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.5 of chapter progressions, topic geometric progression. So what is given here? Find the indicated term of each of the following geometric progression. So here given that A1, that is first term, given as 9 and common ratio R is given as 1 by 3. They are asking to find out T7, that is A7, seventh term they are asking to find. So as I said in the previous video also, if we know first term and common ratio of the GP series, then we can find any term in the given series. Yes or no? So we know first term and common ratio, then it is easy to find seventh term guys. First term, what is general term of GP? General term of GP, that is A, AR, AR square, so on, AR power n minus 1. Okay, therefore Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1, where A is the first term, R is the common ratio. Okay, so how to find T7 guys? A is given as 9, R is given as 1 by 3, and n value is 7 minus 1. Simplify. 9 into 1 by 3 whole power 6. So 9 into 1 by 3 power 6, that equal to 9 into 1 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3, so 9, and this 9 get cancelled. So we get 1 2 3 4. 1 by 3 4 4, that implies 1 by. So this is 81 base. Therefore T7 or A7 equal to 1 by 81. Okay, so again I am going to explain what is given in the question. Given that first term equal to 9 and common ratio R is given as 1 by 3, they are asking to find out seventh term of the series. So I have mentioned here general term and substitute the values guys. So A is first term, that is 9, and R is common ratio, that is 1 by 3, and N is 7, that is 7 minus 1, and simplify. So here 9 and 9 get cancelled. The left out terms are 3 power 4, that's about 81. Okay, therefore T7 equal to 1 by 81. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.